Good morning, everyone. This video content is for class 10 subject social science. And student, before I start the very first chapter, I would like to tell you all that like previous academic session, this year also we have decided to start with the economic section of the social science. Uh, in the economics section, there are this time 5 chapters. I hope you remember in class 9th you had 4 chapters, the story of village Palampur, then there was second chapter, people as resource, third was poverty as a challenge, and fourth was food security in India. In that continuation, we are moving to the chapter number 1 in class 10, that would be development. Then second chapter would be the sectors of Indian economy, third will deal with money and credit, fourth is about globalization and the Indian economy, and fifth one is about consumer rights. Student, uh, I would like to clarify that this consumer right is a chapter which shall not be evaluated in your school examination, either of the school examination, nor in the neither in the school examination and nor in the board examination. It will be only considered for the project work. From my side, project is also ready, but you know that it is a lockdown going on, and we have been advised to maintain the social distancing, so it is not the right time to ask you to do the project and take the interviews of various people by making a contact to them. So later on, when the things will be okay, things the environment will be fine, we might be doing this. This was my uh, this was from the my side, this was the one criteria. Now student, one more thing is there, that before I start this very first chapter, there are few concern area I need to address. Number one, along with these video content will not be in a one part, like I made in class 9 6 part reason. uh, uh, I've been advised that video content has to be 13-14 minutes, not more than that because it becomes easy to upload on the YouTube channel. Second, concern area is that a student, regarding your how you will be using my video content, there are certain things I have addressed in the first video content of class 9. I mean the first part of the story of village Palampur chapter. So I would suggest that on my YouTube channel you can be uh, going to first 8-9 minutes where I have mentioned certain thing. But quickly I am reminding you, I doubt whether everybody is going to uh, open there or not. So I am considering that along with this video content you need your textbook. I hope that you don't have your textbook right now, considering that the soft copy of the textbook shall be also provided, so that easily you can, using your parents' mobile phone or your laptop or desktop, you can easily read the content over there. That would be actually meaningful when you will be going to the content. Second, your notebook might not be also there, because new academic session ever since it has started in the new academic session, you did not get opportunity to purchase the new notebook. That's why I would suggest that I have suggested this to the student of class 9th also, that from class 8th notebooks they can use. Similarly, if you have your 9th class notebook, there are some pages left, you attempt these chapters there. Later when the school gets open, discuss with your subject teacher and decide yourself in your class whether your teacher is advising you to take out those pages and paste in the new notebook, or you can continue to let those pages of there in the earlier notebook, and you can start with the fresh chapters from where your teacher will be teaching you. uh, One more concern area, that concern area is about I shall be providing you few question answers, where you will notice that few are being provided with the hint only, no answers. It is means if you have understood the chapter, you are going to write the answer. I hope everybody, I'm sure you can write the answer, but there are few questions where answers are itself being provided, considering that it might be a difficult one for few of our students. To make the thing easier for them, it has been decided that content has to have few questions with solution and few without solution, but hint shall be provided from which page it is. And even if hint is not going to be provided, you make little effort, you will be able to find out the answer. That's all. Last thing is the student, that you can be easily guessing one thing, uh, like you people are back home staying there and maintaining the social distance, I am also not having the opportunity to come out and, or go to the school and use the school board. I don't have any board over here. I might be not in a situation to make the explanation on the board, but I assure you that using the explanation sitting on this chair, I would be making every single line clear to you. In spite of that, if there remains certain doubt, please write in your any rough copy or wherever you are wanting to. Some of you are asking questions also on the YouTube channel, but student, it is very difficult to address all of them. I would suggest that you keep writing and do simple thing. After the school gets open, discuss these things, because there are certain things of the textbook I will not be discussing, like exercise or some question answers given reason. It is to be done by you. I am not providing you solution through this video content. I am providing you the explanation part. If any problem remain there, if for, I am sure you won't have any problem, but if it remains for one or two question, discuss it with your subject teacher. Okay students, without wasting time, I am now starting the chapter development. Development or progress is something is not new for anybody. What I assume that right from your childhood, many times you have listened this word from your elders in your schools, through your teachers, that if you will not study, how you will develop. If you will not work hard, how your development will take place. So development, I would like to start with, is a very broad concept which cannot be limited for a student life. It can be such a broad word that it could be applied to everyone, be it an individual like you or me, be it your family, be it the society, your gali mohalla where you are living, be it the state in which you are living, be it the country you belongs to, or even the world. Everywhere the concept and notion of development we are continuously thinking about. This always remain in our mind, because we as a human being aspire for something. Our aspiration or desire is the thing for one thing or the other. Take an example. Right now there is a crisis all in the world. So there is a common developmental goal of all of us, that we should stop the spread of this COVID-19 virus for the sake of all of us, for the well-being of all of us. This is our first concern. This is the developmental goal of all of us, all across the world, not only in one part of the world. Everywhere people are thinking that somehow we can stop this. Second, student, what is important, student, that economic aspect. I'm reading newspaper these days and we are getting concerned, because from over a month the world has been under the lockdown. No production is taking place, no such activity is taking place. So we will have to face the consequences of this also. We are talking about that various industries will be in the trouble, like hotel industry, restaurant industry, tourism industry, insurance industries. People are likely to lose the job, because if the sources of earning is not going to get generated, if the people will not be able to work down there, where there will be work opportunity for them to remain. How these company will manage their resources to continue their production, and involving these labor forces. So various issues are there. That's how what I wanted to say, why I gave this example, to help you understand that development is itself a very broad concept. Your book is explaining that we in this chapter will limit ourselves to understand the basics of the development, the nature of the development, scope of the development, but it doesn't mean that development will be completed. It is mentioned that if you will go to the higher classes, you will be going to the depth, means you will be encountering various formulas and concepts and principles made by various economists in the field of economy, that what are the notion of the development, that's all. But we are not limiting it to only making the development issues. Your book has also written something, let me read it, that it is a complex task. You need to understand that complex means development is not limiting itself to the issue of only economics or only of the society. You read history also, you read political science also, that is democratic politics. There also you come to know about various issues of the development. Like when you will be reading a chapter of political parties, you will find that during a span of period, one party makes the growth and other do not make the growth. That's how one party makes the government, but other remain in the opposition because it do not find the right leadership, it do not find the support from the people. Similarly, in history you studied various empires and dynasties, like Delhi Sultanate was there, Mughal Empire was there in the ancient period, Gupta dynasty or Maurya dynasty were there. Later in the modern period you studied about the British Empire. You came to know that how one empire continuously made the growth under the kingship of like in Mughal Empire we have studied that right from the Babur till the Aurangzeb period, Mughal Empire made the continuous growth. After that their downfall started. So developmental, the idea and the notion of development remains always. It remains in our mind, it remains in our aspiration, it remains in our desire to achieve something. Many of you have these desires in you. Many of you who are studying right now in class 10 have their certain desire that they want to become engineer. So their developmental notion is that they should score good in science subjects, they should get opportunity to clear the IIT or other engineering examination, they should make themselves into the engineering college, and after pursuing their engineering course they should become a successful engineer. That's the developmental goals. If they achieve, they have second is that development, it is a continuous process. If we achieve one thing doesn't mean the process of development is stopped. Process of development don't get stopped. Immediately another aspiration or desires comes into the mind. So student, I'm starting from the page number 2, which is the first page of this chapter, where there is a image also shown, which is showing that the development also has a very different aspects for different people. There is a rickshaw puller shown in this image. Along with along with it is shown that some prosperous people living in flats, moving in their car. This rickshaw puller is thinking something. Let me read it for you. It is written, without me they cannot develop, but in this system I cannot develop. This rickshaw puller is thinking about the notion of development, that in this system where he is being accepted to do the rickshaw pulling work, he cannot make growth because he is not getting sufficient sources of livelihood. On the other side, for whom it is working, for whom it is providing the services, they are making good growth. We will be discussing more about it in the later part of this chapter. So let us move to the next page, page number 3, where we are starting with the very concept of what the development, in the terms that what development promise to all of us. Different people, different goal. Now question is, do all of us have a same notion of development? I don't think so. All of us have different notion of development. Take the example of within your class. I said little earlier that some students want to become engineer. So getting admission in engineering college or becoming an engineer is a notion of development for them. It is not the same case for other students who want to become doctor. Doing good in medical sciences, achieving success in medical science is the notion of development for them. There could be another section of the student who want to take the literature, who want to become who want to take art or humanities in the class 11. So they have different notion of development. Maybe some of them want to become civil servant. Or there could be another section of student who want to have some creative thing, like want to become a fashion designer or want to do something in other field. So notion of development is not same for different people. To explain this, we have made different goals back in. It's not only in your classroom. I can give you examples to make a better understanding. Suppose if your family is living in a rented house, your father must be dreaming to have his own house where development can be achieved. The day he will have purchased his own house, he has made the development for himself. That's what one of the case of the development. Because to fulfill this and to give a better example, your book has made a table 1.1 in which different category of persons are shown and their different goals and aspirations are mentioned over here. Student, here when you will be going through the text content, you will find that there are a lot of blank spaces. So here you are free, after going through this entire chapter or this section of the topic, you will be able to read it in your own language. I would suggest that pencil should be used to complete when you get the textbook. Don't you write with the pen, so that in case you get a better answer, you can correct it at any time. I'm reading it from the textbook for you. The category of person first is shows landless rural labor. As I said little earlier, that in class 9 there were 4 chapters, and I will continuously to take the example from there just to ensure that that we get connectivity what we have studied in class 9. A student, if you remember in chapter Palampur, there was 2 landless laborer, Ram Kali and Dala, who were making a discussion about their days of work, how many days of work they are likely to get. Ramkali was telling to Dala that she got only 5 months out of 12 months in the year as a work. Then what labor they are likely to, what wages they are likely to get. It has been noticed that many time we used to go to government data that this is the minimum wages, but actually in rural area many workers are being paid quite lesser than what they are what they are supposed to be given. So what these labor who are farmless land or landless rural laborer, the book has written their desire will be more days of work and better wages, obviously. And it is also written that they would like that in the village area they are going to have local school is able to provide quality education for their children. There is no social discrimination and they too can become leaders in the village. Of course, not only the money they are wanting, there are certain other things they would be looking for. They would be looking for that discrimination should not be there. They should be given proper dignity. They should be treated with dignity. They should be given proper respect in the society. Another example has been given from the prosperous farmers from Punjab. Remember, there was a story of Savita and Tejpal, where Tejpal was a big landlord who was producing 350 quintal of wheat. So if he is producing 350 quintal of wheat and he is likely to sell his surplus wheat in the market, what he would like to get the best of the prices for his wheat. That's his notion of the development, because after having produced good amount of wheat, he should be paid best of the price for his produce. Also, he would like to have a better machinery and equipment as a notion of development, so that next year his productivity get better and better. He should settle his children, and he would not like his children to be studying in the village or nearby town. Rather, he would like, because his money, his monetary power allow, his pocket allow his children to be sending to the schools where he think quality education will be provided. He can be sending his children to abroad. One more section is given. There are various other section given that is expected from your side to be giving answer. One is example given in a girl from a rich urban family. Students know that the kind of society where gender discrimination do take place, we do not give equal respect to both the gender and equal freedom to both the gender. So a girl in the such family would like that she should be given equal freedom what her brother used to enjoy. She should be also expecting that the brother should be asked to do some household work. Maybe brother won't like, but girl would like these things. So you are free in this table to think what are the notion of development, and believe it is not necessary that all of you can be writing the same thing. Different people may have various notion of development, and second thing is that notion of development is different, and within a single person it could be different. Having filled this table now, you can examine that it is notion of that we seeks for different thing, our desires are for the different thing, and to fulfill that your book has written two broad you have been concluded on the page number 4 that we desire for two things. I am reading it for you. It is written in a bold color. Different persons can have different developmental goals, and second, that what may be development for others may be development for others may be even destructive. Let me give you a few examples to justify. Yes, different person can have different developmental goals. I already explained you. Within your classroom there are different students who are aspiring for different things. Within your society, you will find that different people aspire. Suppose your father, if he is living in rented house, he is dreaming to have own house, but somebody who is already living in his house is dreaming to have that his house should have much more luxury, renovation of the house or something like that. There is another thing that sometimes the notion of development could be contradictory in nature, means if one is aspiring for the development, it could be destructive for other. Let me give you that societies, people like us who are living in the urban area wanting to consume more electricity, what we are desiring, that more and more electricity consumption has to take place, and if it has to take place by the means of hydroelectricity, more dams has to be constructed by the government. So suppose if government start to make the more and more construction of dams, many people are likely to be displaced from their house. So they would not like construction of such houses. Another example I can give you, this example is given in your textbook. Take one more example before I finish this section of the content. From the next topic, from the next video I will be moving to the next heading. But another example, student, is that suppose later on, right now you are in a school you are in the school where you give your examination. If all of you are successfully doing your examination, teacher cannot give you different marks, all of you can score more than 90% marks, because there is no competition. But the day you will be in a competitive examination, and suppose 1 lakh students are appearing for a particular competitive examination and only 50 seats are to be filled, remaining students will remain not successful in spite of scoring very good. It is a merit based examination. There your desire for other success would not be constructive, rather it would be contradictory in nature, it would be conflicting. You would like to score better than the rest so that you can ensure your place. That, I believe, is an example for you to understand that how this notion of development could be destructive for others. In student, in the next section we would be starting with income and other goals. For the time being, video, actually I thought it to be less than 10 or less than 15 minutes, but it is already 22 minutes because I addressed few other issues. From the next video onward, we shall be studying, we shall be making the explanation only related to the content. Thank you, students.